Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to delete shared photos with files on Google Drive. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have, and download the Google Drive application. Now after that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Google Drive. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, we have the home screen, the start, shared, and the files option. And also we have in the top left corner, the recent, offline, spam, and bin options with the settings option also. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete shared files on Google Photos. So basically it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So go to Google Drive. On the left, click with shared photos. So basically you have it here, guys, just a second. So you can find them here, the shared photos with you, of course. Then when you're there, guys, you just need to click on the file you want to remove and just remove the file. So basically all of these files are here, as you can see in the shared photos. Just click on the three dots, click on the remove, and that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.